Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be adding on these patches that I purchased a while ago from Amazon, as well as using some, what is this, like some diamond trim, as well as some little hot fix iridescent AB rhinestones, and just put it on this denim jacket that I purchased. Shout out if you guys have a Simply 10 where you can get, you know, $10 jean jackets, which is not much for a jean jacket. So I'm just pretty much going to practice with this. Now at first I was going to put the patches on with this fabric fusion. You can use this fabric fusion. You can also sew your patches on. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this heat and bond. I hope it's still good. Does this stuff expire? Like, I have no idea. I purchased this so long ago. This is the Ultra Hold. You guys, I've never used this stuff. Never used it. Not sure how to use this. Oh my god, that sounds terrible. Y'all hear that? Y'all, this is old. This is like really old. I don't know what to do. Okay, so for starters, this got like, I don't know what this is. Like, one side of it is, I don't know what that feel like. One side is like paper, the other side is like this plastic feel type thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that. And then the ones that need that adhesive, I'm going to just go ahead, put it down, and I'm going to trace around it so that I can cut it out to the exact size. Now see, these already got the adhesive. I don't need it for the little bumblebees or whatever these is, but this needs the adhesive. So does these, and this as well. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I got everything cut out, and as you can see, this is like the shiny texture side that I was telling you about, and then this is like the paper side. So what I'm assuming you do, is I'm going to put the shiny texture side down over the patch, and then I'm just going to go ahead and iron it down, and I'm going to do this for all of them, and then I'm going to come right back. Alright you guys, so I'm going to switch from the trim. I did not like how the trim was looking. Like it was on there, but it didn't look sturdy. It looked like it would fall off. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot fix. It's going to take longer because I got to attach them now one by one and hold this down on each piece, you know, for about 10 seconds until the glue heats and melts onto the fabric. So I'm going to start doing that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, let me first start off by saying these are the new ones that I bought. These are the ones that came with my hot fix originally. The new ones that I purchased, I'm having trouble with them actually sticking. The back of them is different compared to the ones that came with the hot fix. Like, this one is shiny, this one is more of like, it looks plastic, like wax. Y'all, I don't know. Yeah, like the first three right here, or I'm not sure if you can see, but the first three rhinestones are the one that came with the hot fix. These last three are ones that are new, and look at that, falling right off. Like, can't even use them. But the ones with the hot fix, like, they're on there. So yeah, that was a waste of money. Can't even use them, but they do look nice. They are nice. They're pretty, but yeah, can't be used. And I did not have enough, so I'm gonna have to change. I'm gonna have to change something. Something's gonna have to change. But I'm gonna try something, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I am all the way done with my jacket. I want to show you guys what it looks like. I did not have as many of these little hot fix stones as I would have liked. Like, all I could do was just bling out, you know, the pockets. Oh goodness, what is going on? All I could do was bling out the pockets, and then like the bottom. Now on the bees, you guys, let me tell you, it is that, you know, I did cover the wings in glitter. Let me tell y'all, because on the back one, this one right here, when it was not like, it was not glued down, like the glue that automatically came on it was not good. So when I put the iron back on it to try to adhere it to the jacket, y'all, it burnt the whole wing off. Like, the color of the wing was gone. So the only way I knew to cover it up and to make it look like it still matched and went was to just cover it with glitter. And so that's what I did. You guys, I love this jacket. I outlined the Chanel and the little rhinestones as well. Put rhinestones on the bottom, the top and bottom. Let me see if I can put this on over a sweatshirt. I don't know if I can. I still got the tag on it, y'all. Lord have mercy, help me. When I bought this jacket, y'all, I should have got a large. Should have got a large, but I got a medium. Come on, pop the collar, shoot. Okay. Whew, Jesus. Yeah, fit kind of snug. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna step back a little further so you can see the, you know, so you can see it shine and shimmer. Alright, you guys. So this is pretty much what it looks like. Like I said, I love it. I like it. That's what it looks like. Can y'all see? Is it shining? Like, I can't see if it's shining or not. But yep, I like it. It came out super cute. Like it. Like it. It just took a long time. I will say that, you guys, this jacket took forever. And that's only because of all of the little rhinestones. Adding them on, then you got to push each rhinestone on for like 10 seconds. Oh my Jesus, it took forever. Forever. But, yeah, I love it. Love it. Y'all, now I got like so many ideas that I want to do for other jean jackets. Like, I want me a green and gold one. Like, you know, one with like Medusa on the back. I don't know. I'll figure out something to think of something. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.